We'll now work on throwing the snowball. So, throwing the snowball. Time to start throwing it. We'll start by letting go of the space bar if we want to throw the ball. Any ideas how we can do that? Here's a hint for us on the side. When I receive throw, we will switch to the costume Snowball. That way we are not stuck as an aimed one. And then we will repeat until touching the edge. If we are not touching the edge, this is what's happening inside the repeat until. We will move by the power of the steps we have and then hide afterwards. So let's go ahead and receive this message. Make some room in your coding environment. And we're staying in the category events for when I receive the message throw. We will switch costume to throwball, to snowball. So switch costume to normal snowball in this scenario. And then we're going to repeat until touching the edge. If not, move power steps. So let's go ahead and go to controls, because we're going to repeat until touching the edge, because the edge of the stage will cause us to delete. So repeat until touching edge. So how we're going to get to the edge? That's inside this loop. Let's begin to move. And we don't know by how many steps. Instead, what we have is a variable for us. So let's use the power variable. And then let's also add in our hide block. That way, once we begin to add some power after aiming it, and if we let go, our snowball will launch. Now that was pretty quick. I'll show you guys again. Uh-oh, I can't show you guys again, because after you test it out the first time, we're going to need it to come back. So let's fix the disappearing snowball. Let's go ahead and go back to our original code. And when we switch costume to aimed snowball, let's make sure we show afterwards. And now I can show you guys again. So when flag clicked, it will now show. I'm going to hold the power and launch. And then I'm going to click the flag and it'll be back. And I'm going to show you guys again to launch. Now we still have some glitches in our game that it seems like. So instead we're going to be shooting multiple times.